Here we go. New video. No cool departments. I can hear the blower running. No one's home to check it from the thermostat, but I noticed this right away. That's a freaking hazard right there. The wires that dry rotted. It's the middle, it's gonna arc, blow the breaker, burn out that motor. So we'll have to fix that. I'm gonna open this up because most likely it's like the one that came the other day. Bad dual capacitor. Reservoir fan not running. Well, contact them. That opening's kind of hard to determine, so I'll be back. Another unit with lack of maintenance. Swift. That's for W. Look at this, bro. Oh, that's when the unit was serviced. You just call me for repairs. You don't want to pay the maintenance. Get a maintenance service, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. Whatever. Let's get this fixed and bounce.